welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. Hey, I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, so we're just gonna hop into it. Today what we're gonna do is I have an auction that I gotta watch today in North Carolina, Asheville. There's an Audi RS3 that I'm looking at to see what the price will go for today. So today is actually Friday, June 20th. So we're gonna watch that auction today, see what's going on. I also have maybe another video that I was watching. I was doing a live the other day. So if y'all not seeing the lives in the morning, but I make sure to try to see if I could drop a live every now and then in the mornings so y'all could see what's going on the auctions. But what we're gonna do right now is hop straight into this video. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on, because guess what, we always have something to show you guys on Rebuildz, okay? But today what we're gonna do, as I said, we're gonna hop into this video, watch the auctions. I'm gonna show you a couple videos of other auctions that I was watching, and I think one of them, it was the Lamborghini Rebuildz that was on the auction as well. But you're gonna see multiple auctions running at the same time. I might be looking at another auction in Georgia too, just to see, but the one in Asheville, North Carolina is the one I'm focusing on right now, because I want to see that Audi RS3 and how much it will go for. So let's go and hop straight into this video. Alright, so this is one of the auctions that is going on now in Asheville. So what I'm waiting on right now is to see, so they're at what, number 6. So this is a truck that they have, but the Audi that we are looking for, I think it's like 31 or 35, I can't remember. So we're just gonna see how much it goes for. Yeah, so the Audi RS3 is a 2024 and its number is 36. So we're just gonna watch it and then see what happens and see how the auction plays out while we're watching, and just to look at how some of these cars, what they go for on the auction as well. So that Ford went for 20 grand.
Reserve off.
And then one of the things with the live auction, so you have the car right here, so number 8, you can always like click on it, and then you have the pictures over here of the car, and then you can always, you know, click through and then go to the next one. So now it's on 8 because that's the one that's showing right here, and then you could just like look through all the pictures over here and see how bad is the damage. Plus they're already gonna show the pictures. So this one has what, 16,000 miles, 16,443 miles. Repairs 26,000. Got the keys and it runs and drive, 4-cylinder. So already at 13 grand.
Close to reserve. Reserve off. Time extended. Sold. Reserve off.
Alright, so we had 10. Yeah, so we got a good wait.
Extended.
So I'm gonna put y'all on a quick time lapse while we wait, and then we go through to the next one. Alright, so we 3 cars away from getting to the Audi. So we're gonna see what it's gonna go for. It's at 16,400, so it's probably gonna start from 16,400 once it starts. But y'all see the images over here. Yeah, so the images are much bigger. So that's what the car looks like. I think it's a 2024. Yeah, so we're gonna see how much it goes for. It has 14,000 miles on it. It's from, so State Farm is an insurance company that's selling it, basically. So we're gonna see and see what comes out for it. So got this Kia right here. Started off at 3,006.
Sale pending.
Alright, so it will make that little ding to let you know. So you see how fast it moves, because now more bidders are jumping in. So it's at 18,200. So now the bidding is on slow down. Alright, so now, and that's why we wanted to see how much that was gonna go for. But that is pretty much it, honestly, to see what the auction has going on today. But that's most of the stuff that I wanted to look into to see about the Audi RS3. There's other auctions that I have basically watching on the sidelines. This is in Atlanta, and they have a lane B, a lane C, a lane A. These are some other stuff that I'm just watching just to see how some of these cars sell, what they sell for, you know. But yeah, I was just mostly kind of wanted to see what the RS3 was going to sell for, and it went about what I expected it to. Kind of was expecting less. I thought it was going to at least sell for like maybe 15,000, but it went, was it 3,000 more over that? So, but that is it. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends, your family, and guess what? Even the haters as well, because they love us for what we're doing over here, okay? But until next time, stay positive, stay motivated, and guess what? We are out.